Hi, everyone. Hi, Henji. Thank you so much for having me today. Kami is such a fantastic educational tool, and educators are such fantastic folks. And what a perfect thing to be a part of, celebrating both of those things.
And it has really helped learners access, engage, and express in a way that makes sense for them. Look at the current lesson that you have and think about it in terms of barriers. What are the things in the lesson that could be a potential barrier to a learner or to a group of your learners? And then also think about how could you leverage Kami to reduce or mitigate that barrier.
Kami's been doing an amazing job trying to keep up with everybody that has come on board with Kami. It takes a lot to be a good teacher, and we all know that. And I always tell teachers, don't kick yourself over it, right? Don't be so critical of yourself. You do the best you can. We're all doing the best we can.
Well, what's a way that we can all just sort of annotate this and read this together? And I was like, Kami. And it was so powerful to see everybody marking up this document, using voice and video comments and responding to each other, just because we got this one little link and sent it out to everyone in the group. It really is powerful the way that Kami can allow you to collaborate.
Remember, we're all in this together. I'm excited that we're in the position now where technology isn't a luxury. I never will have to justify to a parent again the importance and why we need technology in school. I think everyone finally, hopefully, I can't imagine them not.
As teachers got more sophisticated over the school shutdowns, a couple tools that were used a lot more than any other tool, and that was our screen recording, video and audio tools. There's a few really interesting and exciting improvements that we're going to be making to these audio video annotation tools.
So how was that? Stickers. What do you say? What I'm seeing is educators facing immense challenges, making heroic efforts under extreme conditions, refusing to give up on their students, refusing to give up on a year of education. We will help you engage with those students on any learning resource, on any device, at any time, anywhere. Keep safe. See you next time.